Hello, little dreamer. Today, I will draw Bluey standing proud, holding a broom and wearing a wizard hat that shines like midnight stars. While the drawing slowly glows to life, let's drift into a story where magic mixes with play and the garden turns into a sparkling stage. But first, please like this video and subscribe my channel so every spell and giggle can dance forever across the page. Now tell me, if you had a wizard hat, what spell would you cast first? The afternoon was calm, the sky painted gold. Bluey marched out, looking mighty and bold. On her head sat a tall wizard crown, purple and silver, flowing down. In her paws she held a broom so neat, its handle smooth, its bristles sweet. "Today," she said, "I'll make things fly, with magic sparks across the sky." Bingo clapped, her eyes open wide. "I want to ride the broom and glide." Dad chuckled. "Be careful, dear, that broom looks tricky, so hold it near." Bluey tapped the ground with grace, pretending spells in a playful chase. Abra, cabra, sweep and zoom, turn this garden into a room. The flowers swayed, the breeze grew light, shadows danced in the fading night. Bingo gasped, "It's working, see? The garden sparkles magically." Can you wave your hand like Bluey too? Draw a circle, 1 and 2. Pretend the air is full of gleam and send your wish into a dream. Mom appeared with a gentle smile, watching her kids and their games a while. She placed a cape upon Bluey's back, blue and gold with a shining track. "You're now the wizard of this land, with mighty power in your hand." Bluey grinned. "I'll guard this place, with happy spells and a friendly face." Bingo whispered, "Make sweets appear, like chocolate cake that's oh so near." Dad laughed loud. "Or pizza pies, with melty cheese and mushroom highs." Bluey spun, her broom held tight. Zap and zap, with all my might. They closed their eyes, they clapped in cheer, pretending food had landed near. Can you clap along and count to 3? 1, 2, 3, say yum with me. The air grew sweet in their pretend play. Their garden feast had come that day. But soon the sky turned darker blue. The stars appeared, the moon peeked through. Bluey lowered her broom with care, her wizard hat still shining there. She whispered soft, "The magic's done, but family play is spell number 1. Bingo hugged her. "Best wizard yet. With you, Bluey, no one forgets." Dad bowed deep, Mom clapped slow. The wizard show was quite the glow. They packed their toys, their hearts so light, ready for dreams that sparkled bright. Can you stretch your arms like wings? Float them gently as nighttime sings. Let the stars above shine soft and true, a lullaby sky just waiting for you. So close your eyes, let magic creep on wizard brooms through dreams so deep. With Bluey's love and family near, tomorrow's spell will bring more cheer.